So over here, you can see that I have this contact sheet. So I can go around onto, let's say, for example, Windows, onto Workspace and Output mode to access the contact sheet right here. You can also go around onto the Output tab and then you can get to the contact sheet as well. So now over here, you can see that I have this contact sheet. And if you want to go ahead, you can also add in a watermark to contact sheet right here. Right now, you can see that I have no watermark, but you can add in a text watermark as well. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and type in TutorTube, and over here in each of the images, you can see that TutorTube is here. You can also go ahead and change around the size of TutorTube right here, and you can also go ahead and bold it out as well, just like this as well. You can also go around, change the color of the text just like this as well. Apart from that, you can also go around onto image watermark and then select out, let's say, a particular file. So if I were to go around over here, I can simply go around onto, let's say, for example, TutorTube right here. So let's just go around, add this image. Then you can go around, add that in as a watermark as well. So over here, you can see that the placement type is place on images, or you can place on the page right here as well. You can also go ahead and rotate it and choose around the location for the watermark as well. Let me just go around over here, and then you can see that I can go ahead and change around the opacity of the watermark just like this as well, and change around the scale of the watermark just like this as well. So that is what you have, as you can see. And as I go ahead onto position, you can change around the horizontal margin, the vertical margin to change around its location right here, and change around the opacity as well to go ahead and control out the watermark settings right here, just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and then work around with the watermark. And you can also go around onto text watermark, and same goes for this as well. So this is what you have. You can go around over here onto 48, the text size, and you can see that this is what you have right here. And you can change around into horizontal margin right here or vertical margin right here, just like this. And you can change around the opacity just like this as well. So that is how you can go ahead and then work around with Contact Sheet Watermark settings inside of Adobe Bridge. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.